Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, we got this cool umbrella right here, and basically what this is a beach umbrella. And you can basically use this outdoor when you guys are going to the beach, or if you guys have like your own like cafe and you guys want to set this up, you guys can definitely do that as well. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So you can see on the side right here, they do provide guys some specs and feature about the product. But first, I'm gonna actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the product comes all wrapped up in this very nice little bag. But let's take out the bag first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you can see right here they provide guys a little strap for the bag for you guys to carry around really easily. Just like that, if you guys want to. And then right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. And right here on the top, we do have a drawstring option for you guys to pull it to tighten up the actual product when you guys put it away. But let's take everything out to show you guys what's included inside, and then we'll start setting it up. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what's included inside. So for the bottom part right here, we do have the stick for you guys to stab it into the actual sand. Top part right here, we do have the umbrella. So I'm actually open it up and show you guys how to set it up. So I'm gonna put this down for now. So you guys wanna open up the umbrella first. And make sure when you guys open the umbrella, it goes all the way until you guys hear the clip. Just like that. Once you guys got that set up, then you guys can stick this onto the bottom part. So when you guys stick this into the bottom part, you guys can pull up this lever right here. So that way you can push it in. Once you do have it in, then you're going to close it back up. So that way it prevents the product from moving around. And you don't want to stick this pole inside. So that way you guys do have the support on here. And then once you guys have it all set up, then you guys are all set. So because the umbrella is actually pretty big, let me actually put the camera a little bit further away to show you guys a better point of view of the product. So once you guys set up the umbrella, here is basically what it actually looks like. So you can see for the umbrella, it actually gives you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do set it up. So that way, if you guys want to use it in the beach, or if you guys want to use it for a cafe, to prevent the sun from shining onto your customer or yourself, that is where one of these actually comes in handy. You can see how she has a pretty good coverage when you guys do set it up. And then what's really cool about this product is the fact that it does give you guys the option to adjust it. So you guys push on the button on top. You do have the option to tilt it this way, or tilt it the other way, or you can just put it back originally like this. And obviously you do have the option to twirl it, like that if you guys want to. If you see in the bottom, they do have like a spiral design, so that way when you guys do stick it on the sand, it will give you guys a good support. And if you guys flip around to the other side, here is basically what the other side looks like. So they do use a high quality fabric on here to give you guys that UV sun protection when you guys do use it. And for the actual bar itself, it is a pretty high quality material. It's either like stainless steel or metal, if you guys can hear. And if I bring it up close, you guys can see what the inside looks like right here. So you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It was actually pretty easy and very simple. And I do feel like this product is actually super useful, especially since summer is approaching. And then the way how you guys put it away is actually very simple. All you need to do is take out this part right here. And clip this part right here. So that way you can take it out. Put this on one side. Once you guys do that, you guys can press on the blue button to close it back up. And basically put both things back in the bag and it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you guys to put it away and set it up. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for high quality beach umbrella that's very similar to this one right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.